A pleasant day. Hello, I'm Teacher Maria, and today we're going to learn about research. Now we know that research has always been a great help to all of us. Why? Because it deals about problem solving. Now research has two types. We have the qualitative and the quantitative. When you say quantitative research, it deals about numbers. And when you say qualitative, it deals about descriptions. Now let's have the components of research. The first component of research is the title. In making your research paper, the first thing that you have to consider is identifying your problem. Now, our title should be carefully done. Why? Because it bears the entire research paper that you have. Now, a research title should contain three elements. If it's possible, make it four. The first element is your specific problem. Second, if it's an action research, indicate your intervention or the solution made. Third is your respondents. And the fourth, if it's not lengthy, then add your research locale. The second component that you have is your abstract. Abstract is done at the end part of your research paper. It is consists as the general summary of your research. Now, an abstract should have four parts. The first is we have the introduction. Second, we have the research methodology that you have. Third, you have your results and discussions. And the fourth one is your recommendation. Now, don't forget in making your abstract, it should consist of a maximum of 250 words. And do not forget to also indicate your keywords. The third component is your introduction. The introduction part of your research contains the background of your chosen topic, and also it boils down to the justification why you have chosen that. And do not forget to also indicate your reason or the sole purpose why you have chosen that topic. And do not forget to also indicate the respondents that you have and why you selected them. The next component is your literature review. This refers to the citations or references related to your topic. Make sure in choosing your publications or references, you should have at least 10 years onwards of the date of publication to make it credible. Now, your references can be taken in many forms. We have in the form of internet, journals, magazines, and even newspapers. So just select your relevant resources and it would be very helpful for you in your justification of your results. The next component is we have the methods. As a researcher, it is very relevant to share your step-by-step process how you conducted your entire research. You need to have from the coverage of your methodology from the start until the end. You need to also indicate your research design that you used. And you can have the methods that you have like in the form of interviews, survey, even testing, and many more. Just provide the specific details and it's already alright. The last component of your research is we have your reference or your bibliography. In this part, we're going to indicate all the names of the authors that we have. If we're going to have our thesis or research paper, we need to follow the APA format because this is considered as the standard format. In this format, we're going to have the name of the authors, the title, the date of publication, place of publication, and also the date of retrieval. And when you're going to make your bibliography, we need to remember that we have to do it in alphabetical order. Apart from that, don't forget that if we use et al. In our reference, referring to lots of authors, we are going to indicate the full names of these authors in your reference. And that's all for today about our research component. Again, this is Teacher Maria saying goodbye.